What's going on, guys? Thanks for the 400 subs. In this video we are gonna be paint correcting, and all we're gonna need is a polishing compound such as this and a little buffer that you can get from Amazon. This was 40, this was 10, so you can do this for about $50. So let's get this started. Yeah. There's so many areas in my car that have a lot of scratches like this. Usually you know a clear coat damage isn't that deep. If you spray water on it, and once you do that, you wipe it, it kind of disappears, but then it's gonna reappear again. So this is called a Wen Model 6010. It comes with these things called bonnets. One feels really soft, and another feels kind of abrasive. If the scratch is pretty deep, we're gonna use this ultimate compound. And if the scratch ain't that deep, we're gonna use this polish. What the hell is this shit? What if this thing turns on while I'm putting this on? Do something like this, have 4 dots, and we apply it. We're just gonna get it all around this area. Okay, so now we're gonna slowly hold on to it. You wanna go up, down, and then you wanna go left and right. So I'm gonna do one more pass. So we're gonna go up, down, left, right. So how do we know it works a success or not? Well, right now we see this haziness going on here, right? You want to take a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down the surface. I definitely see a difference around the scratch. My final verdict is, I actually like it. The scratch was quite deep, but I removed majority of the damage that was done. Alright, so we're gonna go to the back of the bumper and try to fix this. It's the same procedure as before. We're gonna put a couple drops on the buffer. After that, we're gonna quickly spread the compound and then slowly cross-hatch it. Once you're done that, you can wipe it off. Holy crap, the surface is so reflective right now, but the damage is definitely minimized. Like, yes, there are scratches, but keep in mind, these scratches are super deep. So I'm gonna need sandpaper for that. Alright, so here's another area that actually looks like shit. A lot of you will probably have this, but have you seen these watermarks? I believe there's a screw or something over here, and that's like kind of just melting all the way down. If you look at it now, yo, there's nothing. Camera doesn't even want to focus, but because it's just so reflective. Like, I actually don't see that crazy line that was always going down here. Sometimes you're gonna have weird markings like this going around your taillights. It's a little tricky right now because there's like a big gap over here. If you take a look now, all those marks are completely gone and it looks so much better. So the wheel wells under the fender is possibly an area that gets damaged the most and gets neglected. And there you go. That's a nice finish. You guys be the judge. Whatever scratches we had earlier, this is all that's left. So we have a scratch on the gas cap, we have scratches here, here, here. This might be a little too deep. Plus some fine scratches all over the back of the fender here. So we have one fine line. I think by now everyone understands how simple a paint correction can be. The methods I'm showing are just stage 1 and stage 2. A stage 3 would require sandpaper, which is not in this tutorial. So it looks like the scratch is deep, so I can't paint correct that. A nice finish for the fender over here. Let's move on to somewhere else. As a final remark, the buffer ain't that bad for the price being $40. However, it's a little too slow for me, but for a beginner, this is perfect. Hope you enjoyed watching another video on the Genesis. I will see you